Well, we're still at the NATDA for 2025, and we're looking for the newest and the best products out there just come to market. And this is one right here. And this is called the trailer gearbox. I'm with James, and you invented this.
Yes.
And you are all the big cheese there is on this. And then you're selling this everywhere. I've seen it on Facebook. That's really cool. Let me get over there, and I just want to tell me the story of it like you just did before, and the fact that you have a jack, a regular replacement jack also, besides a 2-speed. And you also have a 1-speed, is it?
We have a single speed. This is a super heavy duty model. It's just 1 speed because it's for super heavy duty applications. We have a 2-speed one for regular trailers, and then for lightweight utility type garden trailers, we have that whole jack replacement for the front.
Right, that one's for what, a 5,000 pound trailer? Or?
Yeah, that's a 5,000 pound support weight, 3,000 pound lift.
Okay.
And this is 10,000 pound support.
That's
for a single,
one,
or 20,000 pounds for 2 of them.
That's a big difference running 2 jacks. Okay, tell me all about it.
Well, it's a 14-to-1 reduction, gear reduction, so you can use an ordinary drill. You can literally hold it with one, I'm going to use one finger. And there's 1,000 pounds in the front of this trailer right now. Between the trailer and the barrels of water that are full, it's lifting 1,000 pounds with my pinky.
Well, that's pretty impressive. And it's pretty fast and loading it on there. You can put it on, what, 2 minutes?
Yes, and it's interchangeable to different trailers. So you can just take this with you, put it in your tow vehicle. Just take this pin out right here, slide it off, and take it with you. Now nobody can steal your trailer as easy because they have to be able to turn this.
Oh, sure.
And you can just use one gearbox in all your trailers instead of having to buy a $4,000 hydraulic unit for each trailer and a $200 deep cycle battery every other year.
Yeah.
You buy this one gearbox, you work on your whole fleet of trailers, use one per tow vehicle.
Well, that's good because batteries can be very expensive on these trailers and they don't last forever. Well, that's awesome. And now this one up front, that's what you talked about for 5,000 pound trailer, 4,000 pound trailer. And
yeah, it works
it's
the
all
same
one
way.
Unit. You get the jack and the gearbox.
Get the jack and the gearbox, and it'll lift all this weight too. There's again 1,000 pounds of tongue weight on here. If we set the clutch up high enough,
well, that's pretty fast.
It'll lift it right up. That's why I call it the speed jack, because it's fast.
Yeah.
So this 3-to-1 reduction. The other one's a 14-to-1 reduction. So I have to balance between speed and power. You know, how much torque I need versus how fast I want it to go. And since these little trailers don't have the weight carrying of these big trailers, I can make it faster.
Yeah.
But for the really heavy stuff, I have to make it slower to give you the torque you need to lift it.
Well, sure, a 2-speed system, that's what semis have.
Yeah,
you go nuts.
Yeah, this is very similar to semi-landing gear, the large gooseneck trailers and all that. The same gearbox will work on all of it.
Yeah.
And we have a whole line of adjustable mounts for the gearboxes to pretty much adapt them to any situation that you have.
Well, that's awesome. That's awesome. And what's the retail on the best one?
The best one's $399 on the website, trailergearbox.com, and the little one's $179, and the other ones are in between that.
Well, $179 including the jack is pretty reasonable.
Yeah, just swap it right out. It also comes with the backup handle. If you forget your drill,
yeah,
you can put your backup handle on here and then just turn it by hand.
Oh, wow.
Very easy to turn because of the gear reduction. I can go up or down here without much effort. But it's you'll be there a while because you got to turn it a bunch.
Yeah.
Because of the gearbox.
Some work. Well, that's awesome. So you got a backup, and backups are always good. Yep. All right, James, this is too cool product. I hope it works really well for you. And I'll tell you when the video comes out on YouTube.
All right, sir. Well, thank you very much.
You bet. Thank you.